Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy pal London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This is a Walmart.com box from Greenfield, Indiana, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other videos. I am not sponsored by Walmart.com or any of the products that are in the unboxing, but I wish I was. If you do want to support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. If you got a cool product you want me to do a review of, slide up in my DMs. So, I ordered, this is a replacement order. This is Premier Protein Oats Shake Apple Cinnamon. So I ordered a case off of Walmart.com, and they sent a case of 12, and they sent me a case of 4, 8, 12. So they shorted me. So they accidentally trusted me, 100% truth. If you look at some of my old video from last week, you'll see that I'm telling the truth. But they basically sent me one of these instead of 3 of them. So thankfully they trusted me. It's 100% legitimate. I got it. So I'm pretty excited about that. Because you deserve to get what you pay for. What do you guys think of these? I haven't tried them yet, and I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm gonna do a taste test and review when I do try it. They say that they're good both warm and cold. Normally I drink them cold, so it should be pretty interesting. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this, or if you have another protein shake you want me to do a review of, leave it in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Wish you the best, and if you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponatea.net. Find your shirt of choice and use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.